Hey guys, so I bought a multi-bit tap tool driver from Klein. Went ahead and opened it. Have you ever been putting in a receptacle and stripped the screw and then had to use a drywall screw? Well, nobody likes doing that. So I went and bought this. It's got a tap set. It's got 632, 832, 1032, 1224, 1024, and quarter 20 taps on it. So yeah, it's pretty nice. It also, flip it around here, show you the other end. If I can get it in there. It's hard to do one-handed. Yeah, so there's your taps. They look pretty nice. So if you strip out the screw on a receptacle or box whenever you're putting the cover on or anything, you can just upsize it and grab a new screw or try to fix the old threads. But on the other end, it's got a flathead, another flathead, and then it's got a Phillips on each end, a number 1 and number 2 Phillips. So there's the number 1. Three-eighths nut driver on that end, 1/4 inch nut driver, 5/16 nut driver. So yeah, I'll give you a demo.